Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily Story Channel, where real life meets real English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom, and today we want to tell you a story. Not just any story.
A story about something simple, something small, a word you already know.
A word you hear every day. A word that can change your life. That word is keep.
It was a cold Monday morning. The sky was gray. The city felt quiet, too quiet.
Tom sat at his desk, staring at his laptop. His coffee was cold, his eyes were tired, and his mind felt heavy.
Anna walked into the studio. She looked at him and paused. Tom, are you okay?
He didn't answer immediately. He sighed, a long, deep sigh.
Honestly, Anna, I feel exhausted.
She pulled a chair beside him. What happened? Tom rubbed his face. I didn't sleep last night.
Why not?
Because I kept thinking, kept worrying, kept working, kept trying to fix everything.
Anna listened quietly. Tom continued. My client kept sending messages.
Can you change this? Can you fix that? Can you try another version?
And I kept saying yes. I kept working. I kept staring at the screen until midnight.
Then 1 a.m., then 2 a.m., and even after I stopped working.
I couldn't stop thinking. Anna nodded. She understood.
That sounds really stressful. Tom laughed softly. It is. Sometimes I feel like I'm running, but I don't know where I'm going. I just keep running.
Anna looked at him carefully. Then she asked softly, Tom, why do you keep going? He blinked. What do you mean?
Why don't you stop?
Why don't you rest? Why don't you say no? Tom thought for a moment. Then he smiled, a tired smile.
Because I don't want to give up.
Anna smiled back. That's exactly why you're strong.
Anna stood up and walked to the window. She pointed outside.
Tom walked over. Outside, a small plant was growing through a crack in the sidewalk.
Tiny, fragile, but alive. Anna said softly.
That plant keeps growing, even in hard conditions, even without perfect soil, even without perfect sunlight.
It just keeps going. Tom stared at the plant. Something inside him shifted.
Anna turned toward him. You know, Tom, keep is a small word, but it has a powerful meaning.
It means continue, stay strong.
Hold on. Don't give up. Tom nodded slowly.
I never thought about it that way.
Anna smiled. Life is not about being perfect. It's about keeping going.
Tom suddenly became quiet. Anna noticed. What's wrong?
He spoke softly. This reminds me of something.
What?
When I was a child, I wanted to learn drawing, but I wasn't good.
I kept making mistakes. My lines were shaky. My colors were messy.
And I wanted to quit. Anna listened carefully. Then what happened?
Tom smiled gently. My teacher told me something I never forgot.
She said, Tom, talent is not magic. It's just practice that never stops. Just keep drawing.
Tom continued. So I kept drawing.
Every day, every night, even when I felt tired, even when I felt frustrated.
Even when I felt slow. And slowly, I improved. Anna nodded.
That's how growth works. Not big jumps, small steps.
Not big jumps, small steps, repeated over and over. Tom smiled, like the word keep itself.
Tom suddenly sat straighter. His eyes looked brighter. Anna, I think I understand now.
She smiled. What do you understand? Life is not about winning fast.
It's about Keeping going slowly. Anna nodded proudly.
Exactly. You don't need to run. You just need to continue.
Tom picked up his cold coffee. He made a face. This is terrible.
Anna laughed. Then make a new one. He stood up.
Yes, time to start again. He walked toward the coffee machine. His steps felt lighter.
His shoulders felt relaxed, and his mind felt calmer.
Tom returned with fresh coffee. He sat down, opened his laptop, and said confidently,
Today, I won't stress. I'll just keep working, keep learning, keep improving.
Anna smiled warmly. And I'll remind you whenever you forget. It was late afternoon. The studio was quiet. Tom was working peacefully.
For the first time in days, he felt calm. Suddenly, his phone rang.
He looked at the screen. It was his client. Tom sighed. Here we go again. He answered. Hello?
The voice sounded tense. Tom, we need to talk. Tom's stomach tightened. Is something wrong? There was a pause. Then the client said, We're canceling the project. Tom froze. His hands became cold. Canceling? But why? The client spoke quickly. The company changed direction. We don't need the design anymore. I'm sorry. The call ended. Silence filled the room.
Tom stared at his phone. His heart felt heavy, very heavy. Anna noticed his face immediately. Tom, what happened?
He spoke quietly. The project is gone. She sat beside him. Oh no.
He looked down. I worked for weeks. I stayed up late. I tried my best.
And now, I feel like everything was useless. Anna shook her head gently. No.
Nothing you do with effort is useless.
Tom leaned back in his chair. His mind was racing. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe my designs are bad. Maybe I should stop trying. Maybe... Anna interrupted him softly. Stop. Tom looked at her. What?
She spoke firmly but kindly. You must not keep negative thoughts. You must keep your confidence.
Anna pointed to the small plant outside the window again. Look at that plant. Tom looked. It was still there.
Still growing. Still strong. Anna said,
That plant doesn't stop growing just because of one bad day. It keeps growing every day. Tom whispered, Even in bad weather? Anna smiled. Exactly. Anna leaned forward. Tom, listen carefully. Success is not about never failing.
Success is about what you do after failure. Do you stop or do you keep going? Tom took a deep breath.
I want to keep going, but it's hard. She nodded.
Of course it's hard. That's why it's called courage.
Anna continued. Do you know what successful people do differently? Tom shook his head. They don't avoid failure.
They don't avoid pain. They just keep moving forward anyway. Tom's eyes widened slightly. So they feel the same struggles? Anna smiled. Yes, but they don't stop. Anna told him a story. A famous artist once failed many times. People rejected his work.
Criticized him, ignored him, but he kept practicing.
Kept drawing, kept improving. Years later,
He became world famous. Tom listened carefully. What changed?
Anna answered simply. He didn't quit.
Tom sat quietly. He closed his eyes. He thought about his past.
His childhood, his teacher, his practice, his growth.
Slowly, his breathing became calm. Then he opened his eyes. They looked stronger, brighter.
Tom stood up. He stretched. He smiled slightly.
You're right, Anna. This is not the end. It's just one step.
One small step. Anna nodded proudly. Exactly.
So what will you do now? Tom answered confidently.
I will keep learning, keep designing, keep improving.
He opened a new blank design file. White screen, empty space.
Full of possibilities, he whispered to himself.
Every expert was once a beginner. So,
Just keep going. Anna smiled quietly. She knew something important had changed.
Anna turned toward the camera. Everyone watching.
Life will challenge you. You will fail. You will feel tired. You will feel lost.
But remember this. Progress is not about speed. It's about consistency. Tom looked at the camera too.
Even if you move slowly, just don't stop. Keep going.
It was evening. The sun had already set. The city lights were glowing softly.
Tom was still in the studio, but this time he wasn't working. He was staring at his phone over and over.
He kept opening the same message, then closing it, then opening it again. Anna noticed.
Tom, you look worried. He forced a small smile.
It's nothing. She crossed her arms.
That means it's definitely something. Tom sighed deeply.
It's about my best friend, Jake.
Anna sat down beside him. What happened?
Tom spoke slowly. We had an argument yesterday,
About what? Something small.
but it became big.
Anna nodded. That happens sometimes. Tom looked down. He said I don't keep in touch anymore.
He said I'm always busy, always working, always saying later. Anna asked gently.
Is it true? Tom didn't answer immediately. Then, quietly, he said,
Yes, maybe it is.
Tom continued. We used to talk every day, laugh together, share everything.
But recently, I keep working late, keep missing his calls, keep saying I'm busy.
And now he's angry. Anna nodded slowly.
He's not angry because you're busy. He's hurt because he feels unimportant. Tom whispered.
I didn't want that. I just wanted to succeed. Anna smiled softly.
Success means nothing if you lose the people who matter.
Tom leaned back. His voice became emotional. I kept telling myself,
I'll call him tomorrow. I'll message him later. I'll talk when I have time.
but time never came. Anna said quietly, relationships need attention.
Like plants. If you don't water them, they slowly dry out.
Tom looked toward the window. The small plant outside was still there, still growing, but only because it received sunlight and rain. Anna looked at him. So what will you do now?
Tom stared at his phone. His heart was racing. I want to call him, but I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? Afraid he won't answer.
Afraid he'll still be angry.
Anna smiled warmly. Courage is not about feeling fearless. It's about doing the right thing even when you're scared.
Tom took a deep breath. Then he pressed call. The phone rang.
Once, twice, 3 times. Tom's hands trembled.
Then Jake answered. Hello?
Tom spoke softly. Hey, it's me.
There was a short silence. Jake replied coldly. Yeah, I know.
Tom swallowed nervously. I'm sorry. I should have called earlier. I should have listened.
I should have kept in touch. Jake didn't speak for a moment. Then he said quietly,
I just missed my friend. Tom's eyes filled with emotion.
I miss you too.
I was so busy chasing success, I forgot to keep the important things in my life.
Jake's voice softened. I understand you're busy. I just don't want to lose you. Tom replied firmly.
You won't. From now on, I will keep our friendship strong. I promise.
Jake chuckled lightly. Good, because good friends are hard to find.
The call ended. Tom leaned back. He smiled with relief. Anna smiled too. See?
Sometimes the hardest step is just reaching out.
Tom nodded. I learned something today. Anna asked, What? Tom answered, We must not only keep working, we must also keep our relationships alive.
Tom spoke thoughtfully. Life needs balance.
Keep working, keep learning, but also keep loving, keep caring, keep connecting. Anna smiled proudly. That's true wisdom.
Tom looked toward the camera. If you have someone important in your life,
Don't wait. Don't delay. Don't say later. Keep in touch.
because one day, later might become too late.
Anna added softly. Success feels empty without people to share it with. A week passed. Things seemed better. Tom felt calmer.
He was working steadily again. He was keeping in touch with Jake. He was balancing life better.
But one morning, everything changed. Tom walked into the studio slowly.
His face looked pale. Anna noticed immediately.
Tom, what's wrong? He sat down heavily. His voice was quiet.
I just got an email. Anna felt worried. From who?
Tom whispered, From my landlord. Anna leaned forward. What did it say? Tom took a deep breath. My rent is increasing next month.
A lot. More than I can afford. Anna's eyes widened. That's serious. Tom nodded. My income has been unstable. Some projects were canceled. Payments were delayed. I tried to stay calm, but now I don't know what to do. Tom looked down. His hands were shaking slightly.
I keep working hard, but it feels like life keeps pushing back. Every time I solve one problem,
Another appears. Anna spoke gently. That's how life often works.
challenges don't come one at a time. They come in waves. Tom sighed deeply.
I feel tired. Not physically, emotionally. Tom leaned back. He stared at the ceiling. What if I can't handle this? What if I fail? What if I lose everything I worked for? Anna listened quietly. She didn't interrupt.
Because sometimes people don't need solutions first. They need space to feel.
Tom turned toward Anna. His voice sounded confident again.
I will not give up. I will keep working, keep learning, keep improving.
Keep believing. Anna smiled proudly. That's the spirit.
Tom looked toward the camera. Everyone watching.
You will face moments like this. Moments when life feels heavy.
Moments when fear whispers, stop, quit, give up. But don't listen. Instead, keep going.